Okay, cool. Hello. My name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian, helping you to increase your English, expand your confidence, and speak like a native Englishman. Let's have a look today at this as, comparatives, and to how to something them amongst themselves, how to compare things amongst themselves. So we can see how similar, how like for like something is. Jessica is as tall as me. He is as strong as me. Nice little caveat in English when comparing things. As. James is not, so it's the opposite, it's the negatives. Not as tall as Tom. Jessica is not as old as me. So look then, we have subject and the verb as. Subject as, adjective as. So subject Tom is as smart, verb, adjective, as most people. Will today be as cold as yesterday? Maybe, maybe not. Probably not. Or will I record as many lessons tomorrow as I did today? Will I teach as many students next week as I taught this week? You're comparing things with a time, people, attributes, or things. The bus, thing. The bus is not as fast as the train. The train is much faster. Your office is as clean as mine. Mine is here in terms of cleanliness, hygiene. Yours is as clean as mine. Very clean. Yeah, definitely. As. Comparisons with modifiers to make a sentence more detailed and adding emphasis. Emphasis. So look, tinned tomatoes are not as natural as organic ones. When you're comparing things, we're using a modifier to add more detail or adding emphasis. This book is as exciting as the others. This book is as exciting as all the others. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Or you could even say the opposite. This book is not as exciting as the others. Not as exciting. No. The dog is nowhere as fast as the cat. The cat. The dog. No competition. No competition. But the cat is not as scary or dangerous as the dog. Yeah. This hotel is as expensive as the others. Nice and expensive. Yeah. Yeah. So we use as, other sentences and words, as to compare things, to contrast how different they are, what they're all about. Yeah. Not necessarily one's better than the other, but we're comparing them. Or we could say simply that this one is not as tall, he is not as tall as me, but he is as tall as Tom, but not as tall as me. He's not as strong as me, but he is as strong as James. Jessica is not as old as me, but she is as old as Sophie. Yeah. Yeah. As to compare things, how they differ together. Very interesting, very useful when comparing adjectives and using comparatives. Yeah. However, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, and, speak like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.